Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video very attractive, beautiful and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. For mature women, you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle and so attractive ideas of too short wave and curls on hair. Curly hairstyle. Very attractive ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. So attractive ideas of spiky hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. And different ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas, funky colors. and so attractive ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and ash gray color, and so beautiful and trendy ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in undercut and shaved art, and many much more. Latest and trendy collection, beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye for girls, for women, for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please support me, support my channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.